Hey guys, in today's video I'll be giving you 3 powerful Makossa bassline you can play on 1-4-5-4 progression. Okay, so if you're interested and you want to spice up your Makossa groove, or you want to learn how to play it, this is the right video for you. So I recommend you watch the video to the end, because when you learn the part 1, it will guide you on how to play the second bassline and the third bassline very easy. Okay, I also do private class lessons. If you're interested, you'll see my WhatsApp link in the comment section below. Click on the link, it will take you direct to my WhatsApp. Okay, so guys, grab a bass and let's begin with the tutorial. So I'll be breaking the bass line into 3 sections. Okay, so what I want you to do is master the first one very well. When you master the first one very well, it will help you play the second one very easy and the third one. Okay, so as I said earlier, we'll be playing on 1-4-5-4 progression key G. Okay, so we have to take it to the higher note over here. Okay, so let me play the first example and let me break it down for you. So this is the first one. Okay, so I'll try and break it down very slow for you so that you understand it. Okay, so on your 1, dun, 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 4 5 5 5 5 5 4. Okay, so there are many praise songs out there. You can find this same progression in that song. Okay, so if maybe you want to spice up that portion of that song, you can either bring in a Makossa groove like this. So something like this, you understand? Okay, so now let me break it down for you very easy. So on your 1 progression, 1 1 3 5. Okay, you pluck your 1 2 times, you understand, and my thumb finger is plucking the 1 do do, then you play mi. Okay, then your so, my thumb finger is plucking the so do do mi so. Okay, so when I've done playing do do mi so, then now my little finger, my pinky finger, is going to play my 1, and now this is my second finger. The first one, the second one that you normally used to pluck will be playing the 1. Okay, so you understand? So do, so this is where you now have to stretch. Okay, so do do mi so, then you play 1, then your 4. I hope you got that. Okay, so you play 1 4 1 4 1. Okay, so you take it slow. Do do mi so 1 4 1 4 1. So that is 1 and 4 progression. So now you're going to your 5. So the way you play do do mi so, the same pattern, use it on your 5. So you play so ti re. Okay, so even in case you are using the 4th string, you can just play so ti so. Okay, so ti so. Okay, but if you're using the 5th string, so ti re. Okay, so that is 5 5 7 2 5 5 7 2. Okay, so when you're done, so you start all over again. 1 1 3 5 1 4 1 4 1 5 5 7 2. Then you do that 1 4 1 4, because you'll be ending on your 4. Okay, you understand? Okay, so try and master this very well. Do 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 do. Okay, so when you've mastered it, I mean playing on key G, try to move forward to the next key. Okay, and I'll also advise you that when you're playing something like this, try and slide. Okay, so Okay, you see that when I brought in the slide, it was making the thing very nice. So you can either do it in the first way without sliding, or you can bring, okay, so you can maybe bring the sliding at the first progression. That is your 1 progression. Then your 5 you just play normally, so that you don't get confused. Okay, it depends on you. Okay, so now let's jump into the second bass line. Okay, so this is the second one, and it is very, very challenging. Okay, so I'll try and break it down for you so that you master it. So as I said earlier, the first one will guide you to play the second one. So now we bring in some of the first groove into the second one. So do mi so as normal. Okay, so on your 1 progression, do mi so. Okay, do mi so. Okay, do mi so. So you play your 1 4, then you won't play your 1 again, then you move your pinky to your 4. Okay, do mi so. You understand? So 1 4 4 4 4. You understand? Just take it slowly. Learn this first part, because if you're totally a beginner, moving from your 1 to your 4 here, you might be hitting in between the strings. So just practice that very well. Okay. So now to your 5, and I did something like this. That is your 5. That is 6 7 6 5. You pluck on your 6, hammer on 7, pluck on 6, then pluck on 6, hammer on 7, then you hammer back to your 6 and pluck to your 5, your octave and your root. Okay, so then you do that same 1 4 4 4 4. You understand? Okay, so remember that you can also slide. Okay, something like that. So make sure you don't go far. Okay, simple like that. Okay, so now let's move to the third bass line. Okay, so what I just want you to do is concentrate very well on what I'm to teach you. Okay, so 1 4 5 4, do 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 do, simple, do mi so, 1 1 3 5. Okay, you understand? So 1 1 3 5 5 4. Okay, do 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 do. So on your 5 octave, you slide backward to your 4. Okay, do 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 do. You understand? Do 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 do. Okay, so when you're done playing this, then you'll be playing 6 6 6 6. Okay, so here you slide to your 6. Okay, do, 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 do. Okay, so then to your 5, then you play 5 5 7 2. Then what you did on your 5, you slide backwards to your 4. Okay, so do 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 do. Just like that. 66, 66, 66, 6. You understand? Okay, so you just take it slowly. So 6 6 6 6 4 times. So if you're using the fourth string, just play 5 5 7 5, then 5 4 66 6. You understand? Okay, so I think these are the 3 bassline I have for you. Master each of them very well. I recently did the first one. Go master it, master this one too, okay, and start using them in your own simple local praise. You can just change the groove sometimes and apply this 7 groove in it. Okay, so I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Bye for now.